Swimming has been called the perfect exercise. It can be done by both the very old and the very young, and there is no fancy equipment needed, just you and the deep blue. However, swimming has many more benefits than those obvious advantages seen on the surface. Its improvements to overall health go much deeper. 9 benefits of swimming that you might not know about. 1. Swimming may just lengthen your life. While all exercise can produce greater health and longevity, studies point to swimming as one of the best choices for doing so. Researchers at the University of South Carolina looked at 40,547 men, aged 20 to 90, for over 32 years. The results showed that those who swam had a 50% lower death rate than runners, walkers, or men who didn't exercise. 2. Saltwater swimming can be a beauty treatment for skin. When I switched from pool swimming to open water workouts in the ocean, I noticed a vast improvement in my skin over time. Swimming regularly in salt water helps the skin retain moisture and detoxify to promote new cell growth. You will be surprised how smooth and healthy your skin feels after an invigorating ocean swim. 3. Swimming can make you smarter. Research from Australia focused on kids who took swimming lessons compared to a control group of non-swimmers. The results showed that kids who regularly participated in swimming were able to master language development, fine motor skills, confidence, and physical development sooner than the control group. Swimming may also help with math skills, as swimmers regularly calculate the meters swum in sets or interval drills to put their adding and subtraction skills to work. 4. Swimming holds its own for calories burned. Everyone knows that swimming is a great way to burn calories, but most don't realize it can be just as efficient as jumping on a treadmill. Depending on the stroke you choose, and your intensity, swimming can burn equal or greater calories than running. Additionally, you don't have to worry about sweating your eyes. For example, for 10 minutes of swimming you burn 60 calories with a breaststroke, 80 calories with a backstroke, 100 calories with freestyle, and an impressive 150 with a butterfly stroke. For perspective, running a 10-minute mile burns around 100 calories. Therefore, a strong 30-minute butterfly speed session can burn 150 more calories than running a 5K in the same time frame. 5. Swimming improves muscle definition and strength. Swimmers gain muscle strength throughout the entire body. Where runners see muscle build in their legs, swimmers utilize more muscle groups to move through the water. While the legs kick, the arms pull. As the back reaches and rotates, the stomach tightens to power the legs and stabilize the core, making swimming one of the best aerobic exercises to give you a total body workout. Just look at Michelle Phelps' fit physique if you need inspiration. 6. Swimming helps you stay flexible. Swimming requires you to reach, stretch, twist, and pull your way through the water. Your ankles become fins, and are stretched with each kick as you push off against the liquid pressure. This doesn't mean you shouldn't still stretch on your own, but repetitive stretching found in your various strokes also helps with flexibility. 7. Swimming reduces inflammation. While swimming's cardiovascular benefits of strengthening the heart muscle are common knowledge, research also indicates aerobic activities, such as swimming, reduce inflammation that leads to atherosclerosis build-up in the heart. Reducing system-wide inflammation leads to lessened disease progression in many other areas as well. 8. Swimming can improve exercise-induced asthma. Not only does swimming help alleviate asthma symptoms, studies have shown that it can actually improve the overall condition of the lungs. In a recent study, a group of children that completed a 6-week swimming program saw improvements in symptom severity, snoring, mouth breathing, and hospitalization and ER visits. These benefits were still noted a year after the swimming program ended. People who don't have asthma benefit too, as swimming increases overall lung volume and teaches good breathing techniques. 9. Swimming lowers stress and depression. Love that natural endorphin kick. While many talk about a runner's high, swimming can bring about all those feel-good emotions too. In addition to the happy hormones, you also can feel a relaxation response similar to yoga. Swimming is also calming and meditative, as the sound of your breathing and the water rushing by helps you focus inward and drown out all other distractions. This lowers stress and depression naturally. Research also shows that swimming can reverse damage to the brain from stress through a process called hippocampal neurogenesis. So, if you feel like you're drowning emotionally, jumping in an actual body of water may be exactly what you need to find your feel-good feet again. Feeling motivated to grab those goggles now? The water's great. Jump on in.